The fastest colors in the world are red and green. And I'm so lucky 'cause my carpet's just the same.
Hey guys, and welcome to Bloomjoy Baskets. My name is Olga, and today we're gonna do the special basket for the birthday boy. Yes, his name is Daniel, and he's gonna be 3 years old. And this is a special custom order for his birthday. So let's get started and make his special gift. We are at my little workshop. Yay! So nice and clean today, right? Yes, I know. But let's get started and pack it together. This is what we're gonna be working with. I had already one of the baskets kind of pre-made, and I'm like, okay, maybe I can use this and see how it's looking, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so what do we have? We have the set with the cars, pretty cool. Okay, we have a few smaller ones with the Monster Jam, very cute. Coloring books with the cars and sticker book. Cool, nice. Okay, and we have a few outfits. Let's see. Also with the cars. Look at that. I have a few more just in case. We also have a budget on this basket, so let's see what we can squeeze into our budget. Yes, we got some blue hangers. It's for the boys, so we're gonna match some. Okay, let's see how it's gonna be looking. So for now, we're just gonna do the trial look and see even if it's looking okay with this basket, because it looks good, kind of like more steady, because the second option is gonna be to use something like this. But honestly, I don't know, like maybe if you put the cardboard inside, it's gonna look a little bit better. For now, it looks a little bit like it was squished. As you can see, the theme for today's basket is cars. That's very cute. So the trial look is going to be like an arrangement of the basket to see which colors will fit the best, which outfits I can use, and to get a stylish overall look and impression of the whole project. Okay guys, so this is our trial so far. Looks pretty nice and full. Look at that, we have the outfit, two, one short sleeve and two long sleeve, big car with the truck, coloring books, and this. To be honest, the basket is pretty pricey. I would love to have something a little bit more cheaper, because for the kid, only mom will care about the basket, but the kid doesn't care. Looks not bad actually. Not bad at all. Looks not bad. But what I have to do right now, I have to fix that frame, because looks like it's a little bit leaning on the side. You see? It's not good at all. I have to make some work and arrangements. Looks pretty nice, guys, right? Awesome! Yes, I hope the birthday boy will be happy to see his birthday gift. Special and custom made just for you, Daniel. Our base is kind of ready. Look at that. I think I have some shredded paper colored in the basement. I have to double check and see what color is going to be matching. So let's go and check it out. But look, I secured a little bit better, so it's more steady and and ready for decoration. Okay, I found dark blue, which gonna match with blue cars and blue outfits. Everything you see in my basket creation projects is brand new, but during the decoration process it can still catch some dust or small pieces of tape. So I always try to make sure everything looks as presentable as possible. Wow, looks pretty cool, guys. Look at that. Okay, we got it all set. We got the cars, coloring books and stickers, fancy outfits, and the toy. Look at that. Without the wrapping, that's what we got. Looks pretty cool. Okay guys, so our basket staging is ready. We just need to wrap it up in the plastic, do some touch-ups with the bows, with the decoration, and it's gonna be good to go. So look at that, how cute that came out. Wow. It came out pretty cool. All the card design looks awesome. Just a little finish touch and it's gonna be all set. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the price of this project and if you actually liked it. And it would be so awesome if you will hit that subscribe button and help my channel to grow. Wow guys, just look how cute the birthday gift came out. Look at that. Awesome! Yes, and it's pretty huge, so you will be surprised. The only thing is tricky is the transportation. So whenever I'm driving with my car, if I can fit it in the trunk without the closing the lid, because the thing is pretty tall. I will take it in the hands right now so you can see it. Wow guys, just look at this basket, how huge it is. Amazing. I'm very happy of the job. Look. I hope the birthday boy will be happy too. We wish you happy birthday, Daniel. May all your dreams come true and grow big and grow strong. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and comment, and we will see you on the next basket make. Bye.